Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to make a great looking flyer in Microsoft Word. Even if you have never designed anything before, I also share a free template you can use and customize. So here, once you open up your Microsoft Word, open it up like this, then go back to this section that it has this tab that says File. Click on it. Then here on this section, click on More Templates like that. Then come here. There's this suggestion search. The searches that you have down here. You have the business, the cards, the flyers, the letter, the education, the resume, and cover letters, and the holidays and all that. So you want the flyers. So click on that. Then you will go ahead and search the templates that are online. Then you can see you have different flyers here. You have the event name, you have this sales flyer. It's like you're selling a certain type of shoe. Dog walker here. You have the pet volunteer opportunity. Have the place. Your event title is here. The place, the block event flyer, the bright floral event flyer. So let's say, for example, you want to pick something like, for example, this type of flyer, photo baptism flyer, like maybe you're doing a flyer for your church or something like that. If you click on it, it will give you this section where you see photo baptism flyer, and then you can click on create. Once you click on create, it takes you to this section. So here you can go ahead and do some editing. So just make sure your flyer fits well. Then you can change this image because this one is just an image from the flyer. For you to do that, right click on the image, then go to this section that says change the picture. You can select from your device if you have the image that you want to change. So click on it, then you can go ahead and select the image that you want to change from. Then let me just pick a sample image here that you can use. Is you can click on it like that, then insert. Then if it doesn't fit in your image section, you can just go ahead and try to click on the picture format like this, then go to crop. Then here on the section of crop, you can click fill to make sure that you can now extend this section and also extend this section to make sure that it fits quite well in your section of the image like that. Then once done, click anywhere on your image. Then you can go ahead and also change the name. You can write here the name of your kid, the date, time, and place. That is the first one. The second one, you can also go back and pick another flyer if you want to use. Just follow the same process like that. Go for more templates, then flyers. Then you get the flyers from online. So you can go ahead and change, edit anything that you want to work with your flyers to make sure they meet your desired formats so that you give a quality one if you're working for somebody. And that is it. You've just made a professional looking flyer in Word. If you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word guides. See you in the next video.